Hi everyone! My name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. I am so excited because today I get to share with you my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate X. Yes, it has finally arrived! Came in yesterday and I'm just so excited to open it up. So for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription where you can receive either deluxe samples in a glam bag or you can receive full-size products in a glam bag plus. A couple months ago, they announced that they will be doing a new subscription where subscribers will be able to update their glam bag and receive the Glam Bag Ultimate X. Now, this is going to be something that they can do every 3 months starting, you guessed it, February, this month. So for $55, you'll receive 7 to 8 full-size products that value over $350, and you'll get to choose 3 out of the items. These products are going to be from top name brands, and you're going to actually have access to Glam Bag X exclusives, as well as products that have yet to be launched. But wait, here's the best part. Each bag will be specifically curated by a top beauty celeb or influencer, starting with the world-renowned makeup artist Patrick Ta. Now, he's done makeup for big celebs like Gigi and Bella Hadid, Shay Mitchell, Kourtney Kardashian, and so many more. Now, do you see why I've been so excited to get this box? Well, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to rip this bad boy apart. So let's get to it. So right on the top, there was this, and it's kind of like a newspaper. See, as you see, there's about the products that he's picked, the Glam Bag X exclusives, and it goes over his Ipsy quiz answers. And then the back kind of gives you some more information, let you know about the next Glam Bag Ultimate X coming out in May. And according to this, it says it's going to be truly major. So I am really loving this. I am going to put this to the side because I am going to read it later. So let's pull out the first product. So the first product is Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Eye Cream plus 8 Power Pink Essence. So on the package it says it's a renewal eye cream formulated with 8 Power Pink Essence and peptides to help restore the look of firmness, fine lines, and wrinkles. So the 8 Power Pink Essence that is in here are the Pink Lotus, Peony, Rose, Cherry Blossom, Acerola Cherry, Camellia, Korean Black Raspberry, and Pomegranate. So this retails for $48, and this is a great start. I am really interested in trying this out. In my glam bag, I got a Glam Glow eye cream that I really wanted to try out, so I'm going to try that out first, and then I'm definitely going to try this one out. Let's move on. Okay, so this is Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Our Sonic Power Tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt skin. Ooh, fancy. It's supposed to go like this, and then you're supposed to go like that. And you should do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. But it says take all the time you need. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, it turns on. It takes a battery. I thought it was just one of those ones you put in the freezer. I will be right back. I'm going to get me a AA battery. See, you hear it? I could do this all day. Okay. enough playing with this. We got other products that we gotta look at. I'm just so excited. I'm already loving the products I got. And I went through two. Next is, oh! Patrick Ta Velvet Blush. I heard some amazing things about this. This just looks so fancy. Ooh, I'm so excited. So I got the shade She's Seductive. Flush, fresh, lit from within skin is Patrick Ta's signature. Get the look in real life with a few sweeps of this blush across your cheeks, and it also doubles as a shadow. The pigments are infused with light reflecting mica for a luminous glow. I am just loving this. Now this is fancy and quality. So this retails for $32. Oh, I can't wait to play with it. Next product is another Patrick Ta product. This is the shaping wax. Now I know I did pick this because I was really interested in trying this out. So it says, when it comes to transforming sparse, patchy arches into full feathery statement brows, no one does it better than Patrick Ta. His secret weapon? This multitasking brow wax and dual-ended brush applicator. Use it to define, shape, and set for your brows but better look. I didn't get the brush. I wonder if I got the brush. We will have to see. And just so you know, I got the shade Tinted. Let's see what else is next. Got this. Ooh. Air. I believe I picked this item too. Your new secret weapon for creating tousled texture and perfectly imperfect styles with textured volume that lasts. Our advanced formula is infused with mica to instantly add brilliant shine and reflection, while quartz cleanses the mind of negativity and inspires positive feelings and thoughts. So this retails for $28. I'm really liking this. I'm really interested in trying this out. The only thing is I noticed that there is a dent right here. But other than that, I'm cool with this. Okay. Got a few more items. That's not good. That's how it. Oh. This is Halsey's new brand, About Face. That's so cool. I didn't know that we were getting anything from her. She's on the back of the paper, and I was just thinking that they were going to talk about it because she's a new brand, but I got one of her approved products. Ooh. I love the way that this packaging is. It looks like it's velvet, but it's not. It's like a regular bottle type of... But doesn't that look like velvet? So it says, Patrick is famous for creating super saturated lips, so he had to include this matte liquid lipstick from About Face, a new brand for everyone everywhere created by Halsey. It's ultra pigmented and long lasting, yet totally lightweight. So this is an Ipsy exclusive. I'm loving this. And I have to say, she was smart in pairing up with Ipsy to introduce her brand. This looks like such a beautiful shade. I really love when liquid lipsticks have this type of applicator. It just makes it so much easier to apply. I can't wait to try this out. I'm just so excited. I have not gotten a product that I'm upset about or I'm loving every single product. What's this? Pat McGrath Labs. I don't own anything from Pat McGrath. What is this? Fetish Eyes Mascara. This is another brand that I wish I could afford and have fun with. Oh. I'm loving loving it. It says, prepare to lash out with Fetish Eyes Mascara. Instantly iconic, this formulation unleashes the ultimate in pro-performance artistry, saturating each individual lash in the most intense black pigment, while dramatically lifting and lengthening for unprecedented fullness and maximum volume. This formulation works overtime to strengthen and condition while defending lashes from free radical damage. So this retail value is $30. You would think that more mascaras would have a bend like this. Because I know when I'm applying my mascara, I'm doing it like this. Do you know how much easier it's going to be doing it with this? Oh my god, I can't wait. I do have to say, there is a smell to it. It's like a perfumey smell, like a floral perfumey smell. I personally don't mind. I just hope it doesn't irritate my eyes. I doubt it will. Stuff like that normally doesn't irritate me. Oh my god, I can't wait. My first Pat McGrath product. Oh, yeah, it definitely has a perfumey smell. I still smell it. That's okay. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I only have 1 or 2 products left. And it feels like I have more than. Alright. Well, I might as well grab these. I know I picked these. I'll have to say I picked these because I figured I could use these because with my hair getting longer now, I need to have scrunchies to be going to bed with, not using rubber bands because that's not good for your hair. So, and these are cute. Oh, I love them. So these retail for $12. They are from Kitsch Scrunchie. So another one that's open. Oh, but I think this is the eyebrow brush because it's from Patrick Ta. Yep, it's his eyebrow brush. It was literally out of the bag and everything. That's not good. I can't wait to try out that wax with this. This is going to be so much fun. Just getting the Patrick Ta products alone was so worth this. Double checking, and this is the only thing that's left. Yeah. And that is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. So let's see if I'm actually going to enjoy this palette. Or is it going to be like every other palette we get in our subscription boxes? Ooh, I like the cover. It's very pretty. It looks like it would be perfect for springtime, if I'm going to be correct. The card just flew out, and this is what it looks like. I like that. That's cute. Oh, this is very pretty. These shimmers are gorgeous. Look at those. Look how sparkly they are. You know how perfect those are going to be for spring? With 18 trendy shades in 4 different finishes, this ultra versatile collection of buttery shadows can be used to create pro-quality looks that are soft and romantic or bold and glam. You know how perfect this is going to be for spring? Like, these are so gorgeous. And though they are like a lot of like neutrally colors, they have like a different like undertones to them, so they make it different than my other neutral palettes that I have. This is probably going to be my spring palette that I use all the time. This is just so gorgeous. I love it. Well, that is everything I got in my Ipsy Ultimate X with Patrick Ta. And I have to say it was well worth the wait. It was well worth the $55. I am just like so happy. I can't wait to just go and start playing with these products. My favorites are obviously going to be the Patrick Ta products themselves. Ever since he came out with his brand, I have been wanting to play with his products and try them out. So being able to start off my Patrick Ta collection with these items, I am just super happy with that. I have to say, overall, this is an amazing collection. This was by far the best way to end my February subscription reviews. I am just so happy. I can't wait. Now it's your turn. What do you think of what I got? Do you think it was worth the $55? If you got one this month, what did you think of this new subscription option that Ipsy is offering? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And as always, if you have not done so already, I welcome you to join me here on my channel by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell down below. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. For instance, next week I'm going to be doing a get ready with me playing with new makeup. And of course, I'm going to be playing with some of the makeup I got today. So if you want to see how these products work out, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified when I upload that video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember to be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.